Hey everybody, this is Bronco Mustang Lifestyle, and this is not a sponsored video. I purchased something for my new little Tesla. Check it out. Well, hello everybody. I have gotten a new little addition for our Tesla from Speakin', and it's a little phone mount. This is how it came. And let's get this thing. Oh, that's kind of nice. Alrighty. Comes in two pieces. So this will be the mount that the phone will attach to. And this will be the mount. Let's see, where's the, there it is. It packages well. Oh my goodness, here we go. So this is the mount that is going to go right there on the dash of the car. And then in the hard to open package is where the little clip is that's going to be able to tighten up this right here. So it's going to go like that. And then you just pop that on there like that. And then this, if I can get it, there we go, is how you tighten it up. And I've got it loose right now because I had to mount it on the car. But this, it will mount in the dash where the little piece on your dash fits right into here. This will face you, and you can either, I'm going to put it like center steering wheel, so it kind of depends on how I can see it, whether I want it high or low, and then I will just tighten it up. So not bad. Not bad at all. I ordered this off of Amazon directly. As you can see, it's $27.99, but I didn't pay that. I got a used very good, and so you can see what the price is there, $22. It's just much more, it's less expensive. So, and I'll put the link in the description for you in case that you're interested in this. So I still have this thing loose, but you'll just center it to kind of where you want it. So I'm trying to see. That's pretty close right there. Alrighty, and then you just lift up and it goes under that. So once I do that, I just lift up right here just a little bit and it fits right there. So you can see that right there, it just fits right under there. I mean, I've just barely lift up, push it under, and it is in there. But I wanted you to see what that looked like. And I mean, it's secure. It's not moving around at all. I haven't tightened this, but this isn't moving, and it's not interfering with the airflow, because I can feel that right there as well. So let's mount the phone to it and see how well it looks. Alrighty, so here we go. And there it is. And that's with it on high. That's a pretty good view. I feel like Town and Country Ford. I am 6'2" sitting in my Tesla, but I got a good view, unobstructed view of my phone. Let me flip it and see what it looks like the other way. Flip it where the lower end's down, it obstructs my view. I guess if I see, it's a little lower. So this is from my eyesight going to there, so I'd rather have it up just a hair higher. And that's what it looks like for me on the higher setting. So I think that's what I'll be using. And this was actually a very simple mount. No stickies, no adhesive. It just fits right there, and it seems very firm. Live, I wanted to test this live to see how well it held the phone. Any vibration, any kind of weirdness, maybe with the phone in it, maybe it's not as tight and it slides around. But right now, as you can see, it's not moving at all. It's not interfering with the AC at all, which is nice. And the way I have it set for me, I have it set on the higher setting, and I can see it perfectly through the steering column right here, through the steering wheel. So I would say this is a win. You think that's a good, this is a decent buy? I can't hear you. Someone's afraid to talk. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. People will hear my voice. It's so funny. But no, this is for the price, this is a win. $22 and change. This is really good. I like it because if I'm going somewhere and I don't want to use this, I can actually take it out and remove it. Where the ones that mount here, over here, that mount up here, or anything else that's permanently mounted, I'm kind of stuck with it unless I want to uninstall it. This is just basically taking it off. I can put it in my glove box, put it back on when I want to use it later.
Yeah.
It's a win.
Yeah.
The price is right. All right, we're done. So if you're shopping for a phone mount for your Tesla, there's a bunch of choices, just so you know. You've got the kind that clip onto your screen. I was kind of scared of those, of cracking the screen. You always read someone got a cracked screen from it, not paying attention. I don't know. You got the kind that adhesive on the back of the screen. You've got the kind like right there that fit on your driver's side door handle that come up. That's kind of fine. I don't know. In my brain, I'm thinking I don't think I'd like it right there when I open and close the door. But I mean, maybe, I don't know, I'm right-handed. I'm not looking to my left that much. So the Spigen one is something kind of similar to these, but you can see the price on that. It just fits right under there. So if I want to remove it, all I got to do is lift it up and pull it back out and I'm done. So here's the description actually on the Spigen box, and it's telling you the truth. It does have a strong magnet, adjustable viewing angle. It's a great build, it's perfect fit, and it is truly easy. No sticky, no screwing, no nothing. Awesome. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them for you. Again, this is Bronco Mustang Lifestyle. If you're looking for other Tesla content, I've got actually Tesla playlist on some of the things that I've added if you're interested in that. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your time, and you guys have a blessed day.